Wall Street Pete, Sicto in crypto. Waiting to get a couple followers viewing. We're waiting for a few gatherers. We have a lot to talk about this morning. Hit the like, subscribe. Let's get this algorithm to go through the roof if you don't mind. I know I haven't done anything yet, but we have done a couple things exactly as I predicted. And we have a couple more urgent news. We have a big urgent warning this morning. So please hit the like, hit the subscribe button if you like crypto news, if you like positive energy, music, and Wall Street Pete. Well, then please have a seat and sit down to be ready to see how to make sick dough in crypto.
This is an interruption brought to you live by the Wall Street Pink Video Show. You better get your Dogecoin now. Shiba is on, and you need that.
Wall Street Pete, Sicto in crypto, almost crypto, as we're coming into October, yo. Find us on Instagram, hit the like, subscribe. You already know. We're going on a ride. We're going to the moon, and we're going soon. We're all over the place on Instagram. We talk about charts. We talk about having fun. I want to get to some of the posts, though. There were some important things to talk about as we're pooping away. And if you look at the monthly, holy cow, the monthly's looking wild on Shiba Inu. So if you like that kind of thing, hit the like, subscribe. If you're into crypto news, we do have some every day. Here we are on the chart, and this is the weekly. So each candle represents a week, and here is my urgent warning. I want to get to it right away. I don't want to fool around here. I don't want to waste no one's time, so it's really important as we proceed to give you what you need. Dogecoin, ooh, trending right now. Okay, Doge, I see you out there, Doge. Slip into the 9 position, up 24% and a half, almost. Volumes 3.6 billion in the last 24 hours. Oh, wait a minute. 1, 2, 3. I feel like I'm doing a Blues Clues. Do 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 do. What can you find different? Yeah, I see the doggy. Oh, 34, almost 3,500 now, sitting at the price we were supposed to take. 300 and almost 90% profit taken. Whoo! Imagine 390% in the last 7 days up on your money. Good morning, Alex. Good morning. Selner Chooch, what's up? What is going on, Emerald Underground? Arnold D. Blas, what's going on? RJ, good morning. Luke, good morning, everyone. And hit that like, subscribe. Shiba Inu is taking over, and it's doing certain things, and it's not really fair. SHIB nears top 10 trading volumes, and questions arise. Got some important information, right? And this is us in the Army walking with anything packed and ready to go. And our portfolio is doubling, tripling, quadrupling, whatever it may be. A lot of people are really enjoying this ride. A lot of people are enjoying it. And at the 812 UTC, SHIB's price was the 3,000 level, despite in many frontal zeros, the coins is up a whopping 34% in a single day. It's also up more than 331%. We just talked about the 390 in the week, so now we're up 60 more percent since then. Exciting. What's up, Gary? What's up, Jackson? How are we doing today? Because I'm happy as hell. But not everybody's happy. Not everyone's having a good day. Not everyone has Shiba token. And I want you to understand that. So not everyone's excited today. So please, as I'm going to look and see what we're doing here, oh, that's what I wanted to talk about, the latest news about Shiba. And if you pay attention, definitely to mention news. Thank you, watcher.guru. Shiba Inu, Shiba, is currently the most traded cryptocurrency on Coinbase, Binance, and Huba. If you get this, you get what I'm getting at. Shiba token, no joking, is now going to hit the 35%. 35%. Holy cow, it's dyslexic. Where's Yoda? So if you'd notice, we're already above on the candle, but did we hit this 4,000 level mark yet? No. So that's what I'm trying to talk about. It was May 10th. We were trading at all-time highs near that area. You already know the scenario. Bitcoin is now trading about 54,000. So pay attention to all that, because as I said, Solana, and then we break through down to the Solana, you were a lucky mofo. And when I broke it down, and this is crazy looking because it's the weekly, but if I broke it down to the hourly or 4 hourly, I told you to start making your money, your profits, and I am not a registered financial advisor. But we do know I am the cool guy that likes to wear the visor, right? I am that guy, and please... there is high volatility risks in this, so please pay attention. Definitely to mention, do not lose your shirt. Do not trade with emotion. But this all can stop right here. This all sideways action could stop, and we could get this falling wedge to turn into this bullish momentum and now touch this one last time, 171. So pay attention to Solana. That's something I just wanted to talk about because I'm watching the price action go. Without further ado, we're definitely talking about Shiba Inu, though. This is the most important show. This is the most important thing to talk about. We pretty much seem to have everything going on our way. The volume is definitely here. If you see in the last, these are 4 hours. So imagine working 1, 2, 3 days. So the last 3 work days, you've been going up on your money in Shiba Inu. It's common sense. This is what we see. I see nothing but green here on 4 hours. So every 4 hours, you're constantly going up on your money. So that's really something to pay attention to. What's up, Jules? How you doing? I hope you have some Shiba Inu, because that would be great. I'd love to hear it. We have a female in the house, ladies and gentlemen, so please be kind. I would like to somehow invite more women. So if you could, Jules, please tell more women about this channel. Let her know. We're gonna have a good day. La-dee-da-da. Yeah. So hit that like, subscribe today. Yeah. It's Thursday. We got football today. We're going to talk about some football picks. We got the Rams versus the Saints. No. The Rams versus Seattle. What is it? The Las Vegas, right? Or Los Angeles Rams are gone. So the LA Rams, still LA, right? Still LA, I believe. I got to check that. That's wild. I know the Raiders are Vegas. But they switch so much, it's wild. But we're going to talk about the Seahawks and the Rams tonight, and I think I am a favorite, 1.5 to the Rams, even though Russell Wilson's playing out of his mind. So we do like to talk about Sunday picks. And Shiba Inu, if you pay attention, definitely to mention from here, this was 2662. What a number. Pay attention to this trend line. And this trend line is continuing. And if it does continue, we will tap out here. I want to get rid of that number. Shiba Inu will continue. Let's see. It's going to get a little retracement. And if you see in the last hourly, this is the hour. So if you want to follow me on TradingView, each hourly candle, this will be everything. Everything stops, though. Be careful unless you're hodling. Exactly. So this is what I'm trying to get at, and this is why I have an urgent message, because I'm going to show you what's happening here. People are going to start taking major profits, and the money's going to fall out sooner or later. This isn't going to last forever. This EMA ribbon above this battle, this wonderful trend line, it's not going to last forever. Please understand this. These pullbacks, these retracements are real as mother effing steel. And I think I went to the 4 hourly to see if we can get it. And no, you don't get the retracement on the Fibonacci sequence until you only get it until you are on the hourly. That's the only time it's showing a bearish pattern. And I want you to understand, look at the candles above the EMA ribbon. And the EMA ribbon is going to finally switch here. And I do believe that we're going to get a pull down. I mean, come on. Look at this. And let's pay attention to what's going on. We'll hit... refresh. We're going to go up. Please hit the like and subscribe. you'll get this and hit the bell notification so when we do go live. So now we're above 2, so almost 2.3. That's pretty strong. We've been there before. I'm talking about in the last 24 hours. Dogecoin was on fire or trending. Now down 2% currently. FOMO, baby. FOMO is going crazy. Flockonomics is still going. Holy shenanigans. Those I would be careful. It's just like Shiba, but the problem is anybody talking about these three the way they're talking about Shiba Inu? No, they're not. So you need to pay attention to that as we're still above the 1 trillion market cap and we're continuing and proceeding to grow that. That's important to pay attention there. Still around the 45 billion in volume, above 20 billion in Ethereum, now trying to get to the half trillion market cap, which we will get there on Ethereum. Ethereum will go parabolic eventually. So if you are an Ethereum maximalist and you're holding it and you're watching all this shit, because let me tell you, let me do a quick chat time because I got to tell you something serious right now. And don't tell me you didn't come across this on your mind. Did anybody look at their portfolio this morning or look at something and go, I want to trade some of my Ethereum. I want to trade some of my Bitcoin. I want to trade something for Shiba. Tell me you didn't do that today. Tell me that you did not think about one of your assets and go, I want to get some Shiba. I know you did it because I did it. And you know what? It was really, really hard not to do it. And I didn't do it. I'm being honest, I didn't do it. I have what I have, and I'm holding what I'm holding. And if it takes me to the moon, then guess what? We're going to the moon, and we're going soon. I mean, this is not financial advice, but this is a wonderful group. This is a wonderful group of people we have. And as we were talking about it, this is now what's happening and why Dogecoin killers are making huge price gains, leaving Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, XRP, and Cardano in the dust. That's kind of what I wanted to talk about. It's a big topic today because you got to understand this is what people are doing. They're taking their Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, which is bed and breakfast, we already know, XRP, and Cardano. They're starting to take some of it out. And they're starting to put it into the meme Dogecoin killer. And it's starting to be scary because what's happening is now it's being traded the most on all these platforms. And it's getting scary because now you're getting people like this that are saying, well, if you just join the Shiba army, train, and this is on Twitter. Follow me on Twitter at SictoCrypto.com. Holy cow, at SictoCrypto, at Twitter, excuse me. You're still early, guys, and he's right, or she, whoever this is. We have lots of the horizon on the horizon and will be launched in a few days' time. Our own blockchain, that's pretty cool. We'll go live soon. We're unstoppable. And he's talking about going to he or she's going to $1. I don't believe so, but I'll tell you right now, this 1 penny, damn, I like it. So hit the like button. You did it. Let's go. Sicto in crypto. And I wanted to talk to you about how you could really get hurt here. This is what's happening. So we could go up here, and I think we're done, and we're going to have some fun. So this is what's going to happen. We're going to play it all out, and I'm going to get rid of everything. And I'm the only person that does this shit. Don't care. And I want to go blank, and I want to go plain Jane naked for you on the Shiba Inu. And I want you to understand a couple things. So let's get to the volume. We'll keep the volume there. Volume's important. If you already overall look on the hourly, volume's huge. We're paying attention to the hourly for a reason because there's no retracement right now. And I don't believe we're going to get a retracement right now. And that's the crazy part. Until. Dun, dun, dun. And what did I say? Well, if we zoomed out and we had to go back to the daily just to show you what I'm talking about. I want to just put that back because I didn't mean to erase that. That was the high, right? We can agree on that. And we got to put that there so we can pay attention to that. That was the ultimate high. Show me a new high, I'll show you a new buy. And I want you to understand that that's a big deal. So maybe we'll print it out and we'll start over fresh for you, okay? Because it's a big deal, and we like to rhyme on this channel. All right, and that's the truth. Sometimes you may pay, but I'll tell you right now, every time I've seen a new price, every time I've seen a new parabolic move, and this has been a long parabolic move, so you don't chime in on green candles. We already know that. But if we do break loose and we do break this, there's going to be some more new price action. And what will happen is we will get a retracement, and that's what I want you to understand. This is the daily. You think on the daily we're just going to keep going 1, 2, 3, 4. You know what my thought process could be? We can go 10 days in a row up, but I'll promise you that would maybe be the max. So what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 add, what I say, 10 days, so add 6 more to the 13th. And let's just say, 13 days, October 13th, we meet. And I don't like the downward momentum, so say we go 13 days and we go to October 13th, and we come out and we start to create something else. I say 5 is the max, but This is what I think we're going to do. I think we're going to hit resistance right here. So I don't want to make it too boring, but I believe we're going to hit resistance. I believe resistance. So pay attention. I believe we're going to hit resistance right there. It's going to be really important. If we do break through, and I'm talking about significantly break through and start getting to the 5,000s, there may be something you may see for the next 5 days that we're going to go up. But then it's done. I'll tell you right now that it's going to calm down, it's going to relax, and you don't know. 1 penny would make me a millionaire. 1 penny would make me a millionaire. So the same thing with Mr. Ramirez. Luke, keep an eye on NKN2. I think it's going to $1 soon. That's a possibility. We've seen it at 77 cents, I do believe, if I correct myself. But 4 hourly, it's showing us something. I wanted to show you where I'm getting at here. If you notice, we've been getting some retracements. It's been a hot minute since we got one. So I'm believing at the 12 o'clock, and it's the 4 hourly. I believe at the 12 o'clock, we're going to get about all we can handle. And I believe we're going to get it. And that's about it. And I think once we do that through the 12 o'clock hour, I think we're okay. Because if I go down the Shiba, look what it did. It worked its way to the 13th spot. And that's kind of wild because I did not expect Shiba Inu to get to the 13th spot. If you told me last night and a couple days ago, we were at 27, my favorite number, jumped to 24th spot, and we were coming through ICP, we were banging through Algorand and Bitcoin Cash and Litecoin, I'm like, what? Well, this is what's happening. And it's making me money, and I know it's making you money. So if you continue to buy the dips, you may actually prevail. But I told you, be careful. This is an urgent warning, and I want you to get this warning out of your head quickly because this could be the top. This is my prediction, and please do your own research. I believe that these are big possibilities, but this is my main resistance slot for Shiba. So like I said, there it is. I told you twice. There it is. Pay attention for a possible resistance. We didn't even get there yet, but there's one more leg up here, maybe? Or are we getting the inverted head and shoulders pattern that I'm worried about? Because you'll be worried about it too, because what will happen is we'll get a big retracement. But I see 1, 2, 3 legs up already. Let me see. 1, yep. 2, and that's the 3rd leg up. So this 3rd leg up is going to go as best as it can. And I'll tell you right now, if you don't start taking profits, you're going to wish you did. A lot of people are like, oh, to a penny. I understand. But just dollar cost average in and out. Accumulate more if you need to. When you see a red candle and you have a couple dollars in liquid, okay, well then buy a little more. But what we're going to say is this is what I'm going to do for you as I'm getting this a little bit too far, talking too much. I want you to understand what this is the possibility on, and this is the 4,000 level. This was the new high. If this plays out as it did play out the way I did last night, and I told you this was a possibility, by noon, that's ugly as hell. It's like a worm. And dude, I hate it. I'm going to go redo it. Yes, I said dude. Okay. So if this is the next candle, and that's the max. Now, this is all scenarios, right? This is TA. We have to play it out as if this is what's going to happen. I want everyone to play this role with me. And understand that this is the big possibility here, okay? This is the all-time high. We're talking about the all-time highs on Shiba Inu. Now, the love and the joy for this is way times higher than it used to be back in April. And, oh, yeah, let me show you when that was. When was that? That was in May. So, April, May. You're a legend. You called this spot on. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. A good one. You're a good one, too, for even doing that. A lot of people don't show recognition. I did call this, and I said 3,500. I would start taking profits. But I didn't know we were going to go all the way to the new high, so maybe I didn't call that. But I'm going to call this. 4,000. We either break it or we get resistance. That's it. There's two options. I don't believe we're going to go sideways. If we go sideways, that may be actually more bullish than you ever thought in your life. And Wally does say hello. So now as I break this down, we're going to pretend that that was the Fibonacci level. And if the Fibonacci level plays it out, and where is my Fibonacci? Oh, we didn't do it. Excuse me. I'm really drawing this out as long as I can. Hit the like and subscribe, please, because you already know we're going on a ride. I want to do the Fibonacci on just this. Okay, here it is. All right. So now, let's say we're at the 13th, right? Let's just, that 13th is BS, excuse me. That 13th, I don't know if that's happening right now, so we're not going to do TA on that. That's what's going to get us to the 13th, excuse me. So here's the rest of our candle, and that's what we're going to go for. And I need to get this candle, not the Fibonacci. Son of a gun, it doesn't want to work. Pretend that's the same color, right? It's my OCD kicking in. We hit the 4,000 level now, right? You understand that? We hit this 4,000 level on Shiba Inu, and now this is the retracement level. Now, what did we hit before? I'm confident we hit the 50% already once before. And what happens when you hit the 50%? You're still bullish in the market. Now, what I'm starting to really see is every time we're hitting, I'm going to show you a new Fibonacci level from the last time we did TA. And I'm going to show you repeat history is here for a reason. And there it is. Excuse me. There it is. Repeat history for a reason, ladies and gentlemen. Here it is. Watch this. What did we touch when we came down? Well, if you notice, and we're doing the Fibonacci level on this top here. This was October 6, 2021. The history showed me that we came down. When I did it from here, we're just paying attention to this candle. We came down in between the 236 level and the 38.2. So now if we do this again, and I want you to understand if we do this again and history repeats, you will find yourself back at this price. Now, is it going to do it again? I'm not 100% sure. But if it does, you'll find yourself a nice little dip on Shiba Inu to buy again. I'm trying to explain to you, look at these last wicks, look at these big tails. They were here before, so that's another indicator that it's matching the history. Now, what do I want to pay attention to is this level. I want to pay attention to this bottom level. Maybe I'll make it green. It's the green zone. This level right here is where I really want to buy some Shiba Inu. That's kind of really where I want to buy some. And it's only the time I want to buy some is if it's going to bounce hard off this. And that's a strong deal. It has to bounce hard off that 3,100 level. And that's important. So I need it to bounce off the 3,106. It's kind of saying right there on the Fibonacci sequence level. It's a big important level. So if and when we do come all the way through to the 4,000 and we don't break and we get resistance, and now the world and the sky is falling because we just created an inverted head and shoulders pattern on a bearish momentum. And it's coming down, and then you go through, and now you're hitting all of your levels, the gray zone right there. You cannot hit through that gray zone. If you smash through this gray zone and you see the colors, if you're colorblind, I'm sorry, but this is a gray zone right here. If that Fibonacci level breaks that price, and this is a big deal, pay attention because we're getting off after this. So if you got to go somewhere and you got to go, if we break below on the retracement, that's bad news, okay? Bad news. But we should bounce, and I'm going to say that in here. Should bounce, not worried. So that's the worst case scenario down here. And I'm not even saying we're going there, so please don't panic. But there's been a time where we were there. I bought that price. I know for a fact I have. Shiba Inu at that price. I FOMO'd into that price. But I saw the indicators telling me we were coming up with a big bounce, and now I'm prevailing. And hopefully you did too. Even Selner, you're in here, right? Aaron Selner. You said, I wish I bought with Pete at 2,500. I bought at 24, but you were close. Ahmed, what's up, brother? Long time, Pete. How are you doing and feeling? I'm feeling great. I do wish that I did a couple more exercises on my Achilles. It's a little effed up, but life is good right now, right? Shiba's making us money, honey, and we're jumping around like a effing bunny. Seriously, I'm happy. I'm joyful. When these days come, they're happy, right? And when we're sitting here for 3 months going down and we're talking about, is this the end? Is this the end of the bear market? I'm telling you, no. 29 was the bottom. Nobody believes me. Blah, blah, blah. We're going to 17. And now, look, Bitcoin's coming back, touching 54,000. Yes, I do believe there's one more fall. So please, ladies and gentlemen, during this last fourth quarter, listen to what I'm saying. I believe there's one more big retracement coming. I want everyone to understand that. So I think that this is the possibility, the 4,000 nature, if not, will break through to the 5,000. And then that's a big number right there. A lot of people are going to go, oh, profits no matter what. And I'm talking about the big whales. So maybe even the whales hit us here. So that's what you got to pay attention to. Definitely to mention, we could be doing it now. That's what I want you to talk about. That's why this was an urgent message. Please hit the like button so when you do, the algorithm goes through and we can continue to grow as a friggin' team. I love these people. I love Luke. I love Ahmed. I love all of you. Aaron is awesome. Alex is awesome. Jackson is awesome. All of you are amazing. Jules, you're amazing. Thank you. Thank you for sharing. We're going to continue to talk about this. Bitcoin. That's the other one. And one more coin, since you stick around before we go, because we can't go live forever. Dash. I told a lot of people at this low price, even 250 was coming. And I said, the 170s are really a good price. And if you notice, we're getting ready to take off on Dash. And if you don't know what Dash is, it's a great investment. It's a great network. And I'll tell you right now, it's dashing its way on up. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Get ready, because it's going to be a great Christmas. All the fun we go, laughing all the way. Ha, ha, ha. We'll all be laughing at the end of this one. It's going to be a great Christmas, I'm telling you. If you have children, it's going to be great. You're going to want to sell some of yours. It's going to be a bearish winter, I'll tell you right now, after Christmas comes, because you know what's going to happen. Everyone's going to want to buy their kids' toys. They might be buy fucking rings, get married this year. I don't know. I'm telling you, it's getting wild. I'm talking sick, though, crypto. Maybe it's a little bit of coffee, I don't know what it is, but I'm telling you, there's a buzz going around, and I know a lot of y'all feeling that buzz. It's happening. You know, it's really happening. The word, the growth, the word of mouth, 2.30 trillion market cap. We're growing. We're going bigger and bigger as we proceed. A little bit of Dogecoin talk. I did have somebody ask me a question about Dogecoin before we go, too. We have so much to talk about. We could do a 2-hour video here. The last time I've seen 3.5 billion volume in the last 24 hours in Dogecoin has been a hot minute. And let me tell you right now, that's a price paying attention to. It looked to go to Doge, and we'll do some TA on Doge. Why not? It deserves some of its attention. We're talking about the Dogecoin killer, right? Let's talk about the little saint little boy that just sits there with its little bullish flag. And if you don't know what a bullish flag is, go do your own research, because this is 1,000% a bullish flag. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, we're talking about the Dogecoin itself. The once meme coin that was in the tracks once in a long time ago. If you pay attention to the months, once in a long time ago, Dogecoin actually was what Shiba Inu was. And if you really pay attention, definitely to mention, look at these prices. This was 1 year ago. So imagine 1 year ago, September, you were buying this at 0.0045. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to this channel, or if you're old, it doesn't matter. Look at these moves. This is insane. January, the beginning of this year. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now, if you pay attention, definitely to mention on the monthly, I mean, we're clearly showing Dogecoin here at a significant resistance that needs to break through. And I'm doing this on purpose for a lot of y'all, because you need to pay attention, definitely to mention that this 25-cent price is a resistance level that once it breaks through, you'll have a new 2-month resistance level of 27.7. And that's kind of exciting, because then when you get there, the 33, and I told a lot of you, I even told my cousin Vinny, right, Vinny? And if you're watching, Vinny, give a shout out. If one of my friends are watching, give a shout out. Stop being a little you-know-what. This is a bullish flag even on the monthly. And what happens? Well, this is how you get your W's, and that's how they happen. It's going to take a long time for the upward W to proceed to continue and create that momentum or that W, but it doesn't have to be exactly like this. But I'm telling you right now, Dogecoin is going to do something on its own. People did not forget about Dogecoin, and I want you to understand, as Shiba token is still kicking ass at taking names, Dogecoin is still there. So I'm going to get going after this. We have to definitely go. There's a huge cup and handle on Bitcoin. So let me tell you right now, Bitcoin is killing it. I have not done Cardano. I'm going to save Cardano for tonight. So if you want to stick around and see Cardano, we're actually going to do Cardano tonight. Excellent question. Pay attention to Dash, as I told you. Dash is going to work its way up back to the 250 level. And if you don't believe me, just watch. It's right there. It's clear as day. It's going to show you here at the 250 level that it's coming. So pay attention to that 250 level. 100% 200 level is a problem for it, but I'm okay with that. It needs to get there. We're going to take some profits at the 250, 100%. I may go all out there. I don't know. It depends on how the market's moving. Depends if someone says, oh, guys, Shiba, look at Shiba pumping. It depends on what the market's doing. So we're here for you. So hit the like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. If you wanted to know who this crazy bastard was, well, he worked on Wall Street. He worked on the New York Mercantile Exchange building. He's used to fast walk, talk money. And that's kind of what this is. So tonight, maybe we will do that. That's a great idea. Gary, it's an excellent idea. So you know what? This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to write this shit down because I always screw this up. Watch this. We're going to go away for you the in style, as I'm not really supposed to be doing music anymore, because every time I do music, for some stupid reason, I'm getting too many copyrights. But I know that if you're interested in Greg Streets and you like this intro,
goodbye and the spam.
I don't want you to hear that. But this intro, please pay attention to this. It should get a like. Definitely hit the like button on this. Here's the intro. Here is the everything. The link. I might have to put that on the bottom. I do not own the rights to this, but We're gonna have a good day. La-dee-da-da. Ain't no one gonna die today. So hit that like, subscribe, baby. Yeah, yeah. Hit the like, subscribe, we're going on a ride. I wanna enjoy the time. Going to the moon, going soon. Change your attitude, maybe change the tune. I don't know what you need to do. Yeah, so hit the like, subscribe. We're going on a ride. I'm gonna take you down on the surfboard to the tide. We're gonna go like a tsunami. I call you mommy, I call it Solana, your mama. You know what I'm talking about. You wanna scream and shout, you know we're making crypto, no doubt. I love it. We're going to the moon and we're going soon, and I'll see you there. So crypto and crypto, I hope you invest and I hope you make this money. I'm jumping around like a crazy little boy. You know we're making money, baby. Let's go. You know you want that. So tonight we're gonna do a little bit of Cardano, as I was starting to say, and have a good day. So Cardano, the Mano. Probably 8 o'clock. We never make it on the 8 o'clock, but we're going to try hard to make it around the 8 o'clock tonight, Eastern time. We're going to do XTZ. Gary, be happy. Gary! Oh, Gary. SpongeBob, right? As this is your captain's school. Oh, who lives in a pineapple? Under the sea, it's Wall Street, Sicto in crypto. So we're going to do Tesos tonight, and we're going to do Cardano. So until then, it's Thursday. It's Thursday Night Football. I love the Rams. The Rams is what's up. I just fool around. It's really not that good. If I sat down and started writing, maybe we would sound better. I don't know. But I do like fooling around. Music's been my entire life. My mother used to sing crazy. My mother was very talented. I wish I was half as talented as her, but it is what it is. We'll try to do something. Wait till you see walking around in the crypto winter wonderland. Instead of winter wonderland, it's going to be crypto. So I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you have a great day. I hope you have a good day. Wall Street, Crypto, crypto. Ain't nobody got to die today, man. Give somebody a smile. Tell somebody to have a great day. Open a door for somebody. Tell somebody you love them. F it. Why not, right? Hey, make someone's day. Do something. Because I tell you right now, Shiba Inu is making my day. It's a coin pumping machine. And you know exactly what I mean. We're on the scene. Let's go. Wall Street Pete tonight. We have a video for you. Hit the bell notification and the all button. So when we do go live, you get this jive. You know what I'm talking about. Scream and shout. Have a wonderful day, Wall Street. Sicto in crypto. We're out of here like Vladimir. Woo!